Welcome to the In Solidum Lawyers channel. Today we will explore the intersection between cryptocurrencies and anti-money laundering law. Join us. In Ecuador, the adoption of cryptocurrencies is emerging as a relevant phenomenon, driving a crucial debate about their relationship with anti-money laundering laws. This analysis seeks to explore how the unique nature of cryptocurrencies is based on blockchain technology and characterized by their decentralization, presents challenges and opportunities for the current legal and financial system. We will address how cryptocurrencies challenge traditional regulatory paradigms and what implications they have for money laundering prevention policies in Ecuador. Cryptocurrencies, by operating outside of conventional banking systems, pose significant challenges for regulatory authorities in Ecuador. These challenges include the difficulty in tracking transactions, the absence of centralized intermediaries, and the relative anonymity offered by these digital currencies. These factors make it difficult to apply traditional anti-money laundering laws and demand an innovative and adapted approach to monitoring and controlling cryptocurrency transactions. The growth of cryptocurrencies in Ecuador not only impacts investors and users but also the financial and legal sector as a whole. This impact is manifested in a need to develop new competencies and strategies to address the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, such as money laundering. It also implies the review of existing regulations and the possible creation of new laws that effectively regulate cryptocurrency operations, balancing financial security with technological innovation. To effectively and safely integrate cryptocurrencies into the Ecuadorian legal framework, it is essential to foster dialogue between regulators, blockchain technology experts, and the financial sector. This collaborative approach could result in regulation that protects against money laundering while promoting innovation and financial inclusion. In addition, it is crucial to educate both consumers and financial institutions about the benefits and risks of cryptocurrencies, thus strengthening digital and financial literacy in the country. In Ecuador, existing legislation on money laundering prevention is applicable to traditional financial institutions, but it does not specifically address cryptocurrencies. This lack of legal clarity generates uncertainty about how existing controls should be applied to cryptocurrency transactions. Financial entities in Ecuador are required to implement monitoring and reporting systems to prevent money laundering. This includes customer identification, tracking of suspicious transactions, and collaboration with authorities. However, the decentralized and anonymous nature of cryptocurrencies makes it difficult to apply these controls. Since cryptocurrencies operate mostly outside the traditional financial system, usual regulation and supervision mechanisms may be insufficient. This poses a challenge for Ecuador in terms of adapting its normative and operational framework to include cryptocurrencies without stifling innovation. To address these gaps, Ecuador needs to review and update its legislation to explicitly include cryptocurrencies in its anti-money laundering scheme. This update should balance protection against illicit activities with the promotion of a conducive environment for financial innovation. Cryptocurrencies, due to their anonymous and decentralized nature, present unique challenges in preventing illicit activities. This characteristic facilitates the concealment of the origin and destination of funds, making it difficult to track and monitor transactions. The use of cryptocurrencies can allow individuals and entities to evade financial controls and regulations established to combat money laundering. Transactions can be carried out without going through regulated financial institutions, which complicates the detection of suspicious activities. Cryptocurrencies can be used in money laundering schemes, where illicit funds are converted into crypto assets to hide their illegal origin. Additionally, they can facilitate the financing of terrorist activities, given the difficulty of tracing financial flows. Ecuador faces the challenge of updating its legal framework to specially address the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. This involves developing strategies and tools that allow financial authorities to identify and act on illicit transactions in the realm of cryptocurrencies, balancing security and privacy. Cryptocurrency companies in Ecuador must implement advanced systems to monitor and report suspicious transactions. This includes the use of blockchain analysis tools that can identify patterns of unusual potential illicit transactions. It is essential that these companies establish effective communication channels with regulatory and financial authorities. They must be prepared to share relevant information and collaborate in investigations to prevent and combat money laundering and other illicit activities. In addition to monitoring, companies must ensure compliance with all current regulations in Ecuador related to cryptocurrencies. This includes adopting internal compliance policies and training their staff in anti-money laundering. It is crucial for cryptocurrency companies to educate their users about the safe and legal use of cryptocurrencies. This helps to foster a culture of transparency and accountability both for the company and its users, aligning with Ecuadorian laws and international standards. Ecuadorian authorities face the challenge of balancing the promotion of technological innovation in the cryptocurrency sector with the need to maintain financial security. This balance is crucial to foster an environment that supports technological development without compromising the integrity of the financial system. Another significant challenge is adapting existing legislation to encompass the unique and constantly evolving nature of cryptocurrencies. This involves updating laws and regulations to address the particularities of cryptocurrencies, such as their decentralization and relativity anonymity. Authorities must develop effective methods to monitor cryptocurrency transactions and ensure compliance with anti-money laundering laws. This requires a deep understanding of blockchain technology and adequate resources to oversee activities in this emerging space. Given that cryptocurrencies operate in a global market, Ecuadorian authorities must also collaborate with international entities to address challenges such as money laundering and the financial of terrorism. This collaboration is key to developing an effective and coherent regulatory framework globally. For cryptocurrency investors, it is crucial to be aware of the inherent risks of this emerging market. These risks include market volatility, the potential for fraud, and lack of clear regulations in some cases. Investors should look for cryptocurrency platforms that demonstrate compliance with security and transparency regulations. This involves verifying the platform's regulation and compliance with local and international laws. Investors need to educate themselves about how cryptocurrencies work, market trends, and best investment practices. Knowledge is a powerful tool for making informed decisions and reducing risks. It is advisable for investors to seek legal and financial advice, especially in jurisdictions with complex or changing regulations. Professional consultancy can guide in understanding the legal and financial implications of investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies represent a financial revolution with unique opportunities to innovate and invest. However, they also present complex legal challenges that require a deep understanding of their regulatory framework and security implications. At In Solidum Lawyers, we specialize in interpreting and navigating the changing legal landscape of cryptocurrencies. Our goal is to provide guidance and solutions that ensure a safe and fair financial environment for all participants. We promote education and awareness about cryptocurrencies so that our clients can make informed decisions. Through our consultancy services, we help our clients understand the risks and opportunities associated with this emerging market. Our commitment at In Solidum Lawyers is to stay at the forefront of legal and financial trends, ensuring that our clients are well informed and protected. We invite our audience to interact with us, subscribe to our channel, and raise their questions to continue enriching this important conversation.